Welcome to Economics, where we provide you with economic lessons in 60 seconds or less. Today we're looking at a market model of monopoly, typical monopoly graph. So we can figure out from this graph is what our quantity, what our price, consumer producer surplus, deadweight loss, social optimal level, fair return at level, maximum revenue, maximum consumer producer surplus. So here we go. First of all, how do we figure out what our price is? We can't figure out what our price is unless we know what our quantity is. We also know we produce where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. Put that in here. Marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Quantity at monopoly. Straight up. Where that crosses the price line, our demand line, is our current price. Price for monopoly. Check. Consumer producer surplus. Really easy to figure out. Well, we know consumer surplus is what we would be willing and able to pay for a good or service, and versus what we actually did pay for a good or service. So, our consumer surplus is this area here. We'll call that point A, point B, and PM. That is our consumer surplus. Next part, what is our producer surplus? Our producer surplus is the amount we'd be willing and able to sell a good or service at, and versus what we actually did. To figure our producer surplus, we have this area here. And that would be point A, C, D. And this whole area, therefore, would be known as our producer surplus. Deadweight loss. Deadweight loss, we talked about deadweight loss in the past, really easy to figure out. Deadweight loss is the production level that is underproducing where the market would like it to be, or where the socially optimal level is. Where's our deadweight loss? It's located at A, B, C, D, E, A, E, C. This is all known as our deadweight loss. The deadweight loss. Check. Where's our socially optimal level? We just discussed that. Our socially optimal level takes into account our deadweight loss because that's where we should be producing at. And that is going to be production at point E. That's our socially optimal level. Where's our fair return? Our fair return is actually where the government is going to step in and regulate instead of price ceiling, saying prices cannot go above a certain point. And that price ceiling that the government regulates is actually going to be down here at point F. We like this when this happens because it gives us more of a good or service at a lower cost, only when the government regulates. And that's known as our fair return. Where's our maximum revenue? We know our maximum revenue is equal to the point where marginal revenue is equal to 0. Maximum revenue point is right here. Where's our maximum consumer producer surplus? Well, that's going to be right here at the socially optimal level. And that's where you maximize a consumer and producer surplus. That's Economics in 6 seconds or less.